Welcome everybody to Trade Confident. My name is Travis Martin, where we live trade crypto on every single video. Forget Dogecoin. Dump Dogecoin. That is what's being pumped out in the news this morning, so we gotta start here. This video is going to be unbiased. I'm going to give you guys reasons why we could be seeing the biggest pump coming, as well as probably a big crash. So there's two sides, and both of them could play out. Let's just look at this first. So obviously we're sitting here at June 17th, and the highest ranking trending article on all of Google for Dogecoin news is Dump Dogecoin by the Motley Fool. And they don't even say Dump Dogecoin, but they redirect all the viewers over to stocks. Like, what is going on? The Motley Fool is ridiculously fudding Dogecoin right now. Take a look at their other article down here. Forget Dogecoin. This growth stock is a smarter buy. So it's like, what is happening? Dogecoin is the bad boy of crypto analysts. Okay, maybe a little bullish there. Coinbase founder, 9% of NFTs are worthless. Don't dismiss Dogecoin. Okay, a little bit of bullish here. But the Motley Fool has been consistently dumping on Dogecoin recently, if you guys have been following these videos. And I don't like it because their articles are ranking at the top for Google. And I know a lot of retail traders are looking at this, not giving themselves confidence when they're in their Doge trades. Now, let me make this clear. I've got now it's around 10% of all my holdings in Dogecoin. So I'm not trying to get on this video and be biased to you guys to try to pump this. I'm going to be unbiased and give you straight market data of what's going to happen. I know I could probably come on and try to pump like some other people do because they hold their coins, but forget that. Like, let's just keep this real. I don't care if I lose money. What's the unbiased perspective of Doge? And here's what I'm seeing right now. We are in a point right now where the price versus the well money flow is basically dead center. We also see that the trend exhaustion is dead center, which correlates to this. Basically, it's a consolidation phase that we're in right now. A lot of the trend dashboard is pointing us downward. This means that we are in a strong downtrend. We can see that with the lower highs and lower lows forming here. Now, if we break below this point here of about 29.30 cents, that will create another low on the chart. If we get down below the second buy limit, which is set up in exchanges at 27 cents, that is when we could see a fast drop down here to 20 cents. So if we break this point of 27 cents, a fast crash down to 23 cents is not unlikely, especially with this news that's pumping out at the top trending articles of the Motley Fool somehow outranking everybody else today with Dump Dogecoin. This is not positive news for us, guys, when a lot of retail traders are looking at the sentiment of Google and they're being shown dump Dogecoin and forget Dogecoin. All right. But here's another play that you guys might not be looking at, which I've seen play out many times with literally over 2,000 hours of trading experience. I've helped thousands of traders in this, and I've seen this happen where news will come out and they will very strongly push a coin down. And they do that for the reason to get a bunch of people selling in here so all the whales can come in and pick up the shorts trades in here or the sell trades. Retail traders that know how to short, they're going to short in here because they see the news is bad. They follow the news and they follow fundamentals. I'm going to tell you guys this from experience. Actually, let me say this a different way. Sorry. Technical analysis and watching the flow of money, especially on tradeconfident.io. We're going to go over the market metrics here in a second. But watching the market metrics is a more strongly correlated effect on the market than fundamentals are, news are. A lot of times you guys can get some really good bullish news coming out on Doge or even Cardano or the other coins. Bitcoin can be dropping down, and it doesn't matter what fundamental news came out, it will drop because Bitcoin's the rising tide. And if you look at Bitcoin and you guys are following this every single morning, guys, go to tradeconfident.io, go to market metrics. It's free right now. Eventually I will charge, but you guys can see what the market as a whole is looking like because Bitcoin will drop all altcoins that are positively correlated, which is every single coin pretty much in the top 20 cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap, which is most likely everything you guys are trading. So let's go over this. I mentioned the second part of this video of, what's a case here where we could see a move up? Well, let's take a look at the overall market sentiment real quick, and then I'll give you guys a possible reason why it could be moving up. This is something that I've been covering on every single video this morning. I know it's redundant if you're watching all of it. Short trades are an all-time high. This is the highest amount of short trades we have ever seen on Bitcoin the entire year. Okay, the entire year. Last time we got up here, we saw a 39% drop. It was actually around 40%, we'll call it. I covered this on a video. This is almost double the amount of volume for short trades in the market on Bitfinex right now, which is one of the biggest exchanges to be able to short for BTC. This is the Binance chart, but we're pulling BitMEX down here. Bitfinex. So if this gets their way, if the short guys get their way in the market, they're going to crash this thing. But let me hold on here. It gets better for those of you guys who might be looking for long trades. This is sitting neutral right now. The trade's in favor today. Definitely want to be following this on a daily basis. If you guys are down here in the green, this is great long trades, good long trades, good short trades, great short trades. And it's very well correlated. When you get up here, guys, I would personally not be looking to take any long trades when we're up here. Long trades only down here. Not financial advice, it's just what the chart's telling us, okay? And the emotional sentiment today is pretty much neutral, heading to a little bit of anxiety down here for emotional traders. But the whale versus the institutional money flow is what I'm really paying attention to today, and this is telling us that the whales are looking to still short this, all right? Now, I've seen this happen before where the whales don't get their way, and this is what happens. Basically, all the shorting power that's in here tries to short, and even you guys saw it on AMC, you guys saw this on GameStop, where the big institutions were shorting, and retail traders were the ones that came in and pumped the price up, and this is exactly what happened. All the big whales and all the institutions that are currently going short on Bitcoin, if this starts heading up really fast and their stop losses are hit, they're going to take all their short trades, they're going to cover their losses, buy back into Bitcoin, and this could be a huge skyrocket move up. Now, I know the videos I've been coming out with lately are looking bearish, and it is true. I'm not going to be biased on here. Fundamentally, and money flow reasoning shows us that historically, when we see these moves happen on the well in the institutional smart money, taking these sell orders and these shorts down here, we drop every single time. Every single time, guys. And every time we're in this long trade up here and we get a bunch of buy volume, we move up, we move up, we move up, we move up. It is so incredibly correlated. And like, I would literally start every morning with the market metrics on tradeconfident.io. I'll update them every morning, Monday through Friday right now. Eventually, I'll do every single day. But the point here is that if somehow the retail traders can come out and they can push this price up higher and higher for Bitcoin, this will actually move Dogecoin and a lot of these other coins up with it. So I know I spent a lot of time on BTC in this video, but you guys need to understand that Bitcoin is the rising tide for all the other ships, the altcoins that are out there, the tokens that are out there. So that's a full analysis today. Could we head down fast? Yes, we could head down, and we could see about a 20% drop in here down to the bottom support. Actually, this will be a 32% drop. That's actually pretty far. I think it's a 20% drop once we get to our second buy limit in here. 25%. So for a move down, we could see a move about 32 to 33% down. So I'm just going to write that down here. 33% down is what we could possibly see. It's the strongest structure low. And if we start moving up, then the next place is basically 44 cents at our sell limit. And that's where we could see this head up very fast if we can get the short trades in the market to fail. Retail traders can get in here, the shorts, cover their losses, and spike this like crazy, okay? So that's what I'm looking for, an unbiased analysis using strict market data for all of these videos. Hope you guys have a good one. God bless you. I know the news is ridiculous, but let's hold out here. Currently waiting for the second buy limit to be hit. The entry will move down. Make sure you guys are subscribed over to tradeconfident.com for all the confidence you need to trade in the morning and to trade all the top 15 currencies. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.